Well, the award season is just about to start, and we have with us Ranbir Kapoor, who is obviously the clear front runner when it comes to Best Actor awards this year, isn't it, Ranbir?
I don't know, but thank you for that compliment. I think I find more happiness in the fact that Barfi has worked so well in the box office. People have loved the film so much. When the award season comes, there's so many great films, so many great performances. One has to win. That doesn't mean the other performances are bad or the other films are bad. So hopefully, we'll get lucky at the awards. But yeah, I mean, we're just really happy with the fact that Anurag Basu has achieved so much of success with a film like Barfi.
I'm sure while you give a lot of credit to अनुराग बासु बोल रहे हैं कि रणबीर आई मीन नॉट जस्ट अनुराग बासु हर कोई बोल रहा है कि रणबीर के जैसा परफॉर्मेंस देने लायक मतलब एट सच एन यंग स्टेज ऑफ योर करियर you gave two back-to-back super movies, एक Rockstar, एक Burfi, ऐसे performances. When you actually look at the entire adulation that comes along with the performances, how do you look at that?
Well, it feels great, that the amount of hard work and love that I put in my movies is reciprocated well by the audience. But a lot of people keep telling me that why do I try and experiment, with these kind of movies? Why don't I do more commercial films? But these films are commercial for me. These are not experiments. I love Jordan's character. I loved Burfi's character. And I thought if I love it, even the audience will love it. Some films work, some films don't work. I don't have the right formula for it. What I can do is I can, work with good directors, work with a lot of hard work, a lot of passion, try and have something to say through my characters and movies. And then I guess it's all left to the audience. I'm also lucky. I've been at the right place at the right time. So yeah, I wouldn't like to take credit of these performances to myself. It's an amalgamation of a lot of people's work, which comes together. And actors get too much credit here. To be honest, we get more credit than we deserve. There are so many people who work behind us, to make us look how we are, to make us perform how we are. And we run away with all these awards and such, kind words by you. But it feels great, I mean, I'm an actor, so anything kind said towards me, I'll always, feel good about it. So yeah.
What is this with modesty and the Kapoors? All the Kapoors seem to be extremely modest. I mean, your
I
father.
don't think my father's modest. You
Yeah,
should talk to him. He'll actually, if you tell him something like this, he'll give it back to you. So yeah, but I'm not trying to be modest. This is the way I am, and this is the way I believe. I don't take success to my head or failure to my heart, and this is how I've always been. Since a child. I guess these are the certain values that my parents have instilled in me, and so I'm not really trying hard to be modest or immodest or be arrogant or have an ego. This is how I am, and these are my beliefs.
Okay, coming to the Screen Awards here, Color Screen Awards. You would be performing and we understand you'd be performing with your mom. Now that's something to look forward to, isn't it?
Absolutely. Colors, we all sat together and we came up with this really wonderful idea to, since we are celebrating 100 years of cinema, to kind of honor my family's work in the film industry. So I'm performing to songs, from by Mr. Raj Kapoor, Mr. Shomi Kapoor, Mr. Shashi Kapoor, Mr. Rishi Kapoor, and finally myself. So yes, mom is going to be performing on Parda Hai Parda and Ek Mein Aur Ek Tu. Really looking forward to it. Of course, I can't match my father's passion and enthusiasm and talent. But I guess my mother being on stage, I'll take away attention from me, so I can goof up and I can relax there, because she's really such a wonderful performer and she's not done something like this ever. I don't think she's ever performed on stage. So more than anybody else, I look forward to it.
एक बात बताइए आपकी माँ की जितनी फिल्में मूवी है इतने सारे गाने हैं उन सबको अब पर्दा है पर्दा ऑब्वियसली ऑल टाइम फेवरेट आपको कौन सा सबसे पसंद है आपको कौन सा देखना पसंद आएगा
मुझे एक्चुअली रफ़ू चक्कर के गाने बहुत पसंद हैं. मुझे खेल खेल में के जो गाने हैं, हमने तुमको देखा, कभी कभी के जो गाने हैं, I think all these songs, I guess, the mom dad were working at a time when all the heroes and heroines were men and women, and they were the boy and girl of the film industry that time. So they got a lot of these young youthful songs, a lot of energy, a lot of spontaneity, a lot of fun, and masti, all the R.D. Burman young music. So I think they have lots of really good music that even today that you play in a party, you feel so happy that you want to dance to it.
अच्छा ऑब्वियसली एज यू सेड कि दो चैनल है लास्ट क्वेश्चन हो ही नहीं सकता प्लीज़ यार लेट मी एनीवे हाँ आपके मम्मी डैडी की बात कर रहे हैं आप उनके साथ काम भी कर रहे हैं अभी काफ़ी एक मूवी में काम कर रहे हैं जो एक्सपीरियंस रहता है एक स्क्रीन पे ऑन स्क्रीन जब शेयर करते हैं कैसा रहता है
अभी तक तो काम शुरू नहीं किया है, बट आई गेस हम तीनों इंडिविजुअल एक्टर्स हैं, तो हम ये सोच के साथ नहीं जाते काम पे कि हम ये मेरी माँ है, ये मेरे पिता है और मैं उनका बेटा हूँ. They all come individually as the characters, as the actors, and we try and put in the best that we can. So I'm very excited कि मुझे बेशरम में मौका मिल रहा है. We are not related in the movie. My father plays a havaldar, my mother plays a police inspector, and I play a car thief. जो गाड़ियों को चुराता है. So it's a nice comic action thriller romantic film, and it has a nice surprise twist in the end. So really looking forward to people.
दिल चुरा चुरा के अभी गाड़ी भी चुराना चाहेंगे आप, बेशर्म में लगता है. अच्छा एक बात बताइए, रिसेंटली आपके बारे में बहुत सारी चीज़ें लिखी जाती है, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? मतलब भी न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेशन भी कोई पार्टी में अलग अलग टैबलॉइड्स में कुछ ना कुछ लिखा जाता है, आप उसको कैसे देखते हैं? या फिर फैमिली जब लेट्स से आपकी माँ या फिर पिताजी देखते हैं, बाबा देखते हैं, कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं आप? उसके बारे में क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
जो भी मैं कहना चाहूँ बर्बाद करेंगे अल्फाज मेरे, तो मैं इसके आगे क्या कहूँ.
बट न्यू ईयर्स के बारे में एक्चुअली एक बात हो रही थी, मैं इसलिए स्पेसिफिकली बोलना चाहता हूँ. बहुत सारे सब लोग पूछना चाहते हैं एक्चुअली क्या है कि आप स्टार हैं, यू आर टुडे यूथ आइकॉन, हर कोई जानना चाहता है. ट्विटर में एक्चुअली एवरीवन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द होल थिंग. न्यू ईयर्स हो या फिर कटरीना के बारे में, आई एम जस्ट बीइंग पॉइंट ब्लैंक हियर. सब जानना चाहते हैं, फैन जानना चाहते
To be
हैं.
honest, it's nobody's business. I'm not saying it's true or untrue. बट मैं हर साल न्यूयॉर्क जाता हूँ क्योंकि मैं न्यूयॉर्क में पढ़ा था. मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं फ्रॉम अराउंड द वर्ल्ड हु कम टू न्यूयॉर्क. आई लव दैट सिटी. आई वर्क वेरी हार्ड थ्रू द ईयर. तो एक मौका मिलता है न्यू ईयर्स में टू गो बैक टू दैट प्लेस दैट यू लाइक, रिलैक्सिंग एंड अनवाइंडिंग. सो या आई ऑलवेज सेलिब्रेट न्यू ईयर्स इन न्यूयॉर्क.
While you say कि nobody's business, I would say people should be interested because till that time, because you're a star and we hope you stay a star, isn't it, Ranbir? And always for the awards, we are looking forward to the performance.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Conversation राजू रविंद्र के साथ, नयन ज्योति, मुंबई आज तक.